is up? If you're new to my channel, it's called Gears of Snore. Bringing you that the content that's guaranteed to put you to sleep.
You son of a bitch.
Another beautiful day out here with Johnny and Nico, riding around upstate New York. Look at this scenery, huh? It really is amazing how beautiful New York, New Jersey, and Pennsylvania are. Once you get out of the congested areas, it is just beautiful. We've seen deer today. I mean, like, these curvy tree-lined roads. It's amazing. It really is. Like, it's like you really couldn't ask for, well, I could ask for $1 million, but I mean, you know, you're gonna get it. Shit. Tell them Big Sheila means Big Sheila's happy. I used to have one of them. That was the first Scion XB. Cool car. If you like my videos, if you would be so kind to give the thumbs up or leave a comment, I'd appreciate it. We had to pull over and get some gas, and it was time for water. I think we were getting a little dehydrated. I absolutely love this motorcycle. I am so happy I went to an adventure bike. I really am. I kind of feel like this bike gives you a lot of options, right? Can it tour? Yep, put some bags on it. Can it go off-road? Sure. Would you want to change the tires for serious off-roading? Absolutely. Can you ride it on the streets? Yep. Is it fun? Hell yes, it's fun. If you have never ridden a Pan America before, go to the dealer and ride one. I guarantee it'll change your thought process. You'll be like, what just happened? Make sure you leave your wallet outside, though, because that's how you get in trouble. This is 202 we're on. Beautiful road. Oh, I'm sorry, it's 9D. Crazy, man. You're riding this bike and, like, you know, you're used to 4,500, I have to shift, and this thing is just like, nah, I got more. Sheila got more. I mean, look at this. There's shade. That's why they say wind therapy is the best therapy. If this doesn't put you in a good mood, I sure as hell don't know what will. One of those weekends we finally got one. It's not going to rain either day. Maybe one day there'll be a Miss Gears of Snore riding with me. We'll go somewhere special, like Red Lobster, for the seafood lover and her. I'll let her order wherever she wants. That's what kind of romantic I am. Always treat the ladies right. And at Gears of Snore, we treat the ladies right. That's right. That's right. Seafood, baby. Look at this view, huh? Incredible. don't think this Insta 360 Ace Pro 2 is going to do justice to the feeling that you get when you're out on your bike and the weather's great, the scenery's great, the friggin' everything's great. That Rock'em Sock'em jetpack, great. I always loved the roundabout. He didn't get the memo about the right lane ending. Oh, yeah. Stretch the legs. Stand up because I'm on an ADV bike. Standing up makes me a backwards pro rider. I do those Travis Pastrami tail whip, tip tap, shit slap, double bonbon, the fakie. Returning to our favorite, our home away from home, the old Route 9W. Massachusetts plates, say no more. Driving a BMW, following motorcycles at an unsafe distance. Well, now the cards are all starting to make sense. If you want things to make sense, they won't. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, Bobby. Oh yeah. So what do you guys think, huh? What do you think about this view? Is this nice or what? It's romantic. They say you go to places with the ones you love, and I am. I love you, Big Sheila. I mean, she loves me too. It is 202 West. I guess they're one and the same. I don't know. There's deer standing up on the side of the road on their back legs next 2 miles. And guys with bicycles on top of their head. Weird area. An icy pavement somewhere. Thank you, Massachusetts. Appreciate you, brother. Really not a fan of racing around corners up here. Yeah, Bobby, oh yeah. If you made it this far, I thank you for watching. Drop these videos every Friday, 3 p.m.-ish. I hope to see you for my next video, friends.